Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a sleep device and add a timer so when it's playing something and that timer ends, whatever it's playing, it will stop. This is super useful if you fall asleep using your phone, watching maybe a movie or listening to music or even using Netflix. So the first thing you have to do is click on the clock, then click where it says timer. Set the timer here, hours, minutes or seconds. For this example, I'm just going to use 20 seconds. And then when it says when timer ends, this is the important part, make sure you scroll all the way down and select stop playing and then tap on set. Once that is set up, you can start your timer, and after I start my timer, I'm going to switch to a Netflix movie. I'm going to let it play, and we will see how after 20 seconds it will stop playing. So let's try it. I'm going to press start. Now I'm going to switch to the movie I was playing. I'm going to click on play. The movie is loading. And you see that soon those 20 seconds are going to expire and the Netflix movie will stop. You see, that's it. The Netflix movie stopped, and after a while this will go to the screen will turn off. So it's a very amazing tip. It's new in the new iOS, and I strongly recommend you use it, especially for all of us who fall asleep watching or using our phone. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. And again, I see you in the next one. Thank you.